Today I'm going to show you how you can turn this into this. So here I have a piece of sapele that's 25mm thick. So what I did was I sawed it so that I could get an 8mm thick piece. Now I don't currently own a bandsaw, so I just used a hand saw to do this. It took a long time, but I got there in the end. And then likewise, to make the knife scales with, I sawed this piece of poplar into 10mm thick pieces. I'm just going to use a pre-made wooden dowel. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put our template onto this, and we're just going to, with a sharpie, mark all around it on the bits we want to remove. If you want to watch the unboxing, click up here somewhere to watch that. Okay, so we're just going to cut the dowel out. There's two. Alright, so we're going to sand this knife down into the right profile now. Okay, so we're going to drill the hole for the tang. I'm keeping my dust mask on because then I'm going to go back to the grinder. So I'm using this 7mm dowel, and we're going to drill two 7mm holes into the tang and the handle. Okay, so I've drilled the two holes, so I'm going to go back to the sander and just clean them up. Make sure I'm coating the whole of the dowel in glue too. This is a messy process. Now we're going to get a hammer and hammer these pins in. Okay, so that one's through both ends. Right, there we go. Now we have our pins set as well. So I need to cut these dowels off. I'm just holding it with two hands because I can't get my body behind the saw. Alright, let's sand the dowels flush. Okay, so what I did off camera was I started just to fill in any minor little cracks in this. So I'm going to apply some food safe finish to this knife now. So I'm going to add 2 coats of this, so I'm going to start with one. And this is just to really remove the sawdust and all of that kind of stuff.